So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. So this is exposing the truth on how to make $2,000 a week with Uber and Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart. Are you looking for ways to make $2,000 a week with Uber? Making $2,000 a week means $285.7 a day. To make $2,000 a week with Uber Eats, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart, you have to work at least 50 hours a week at $40 an hour. I'll tell you right then and there, that is impossible. $40 an hour for 50 hours straight is impossible.
Yeah, that's not.
You know, my average driving Lyft was 24 an hour. And I was doing a pretty freaking good job too. Like, I was following all the tips and tricks in a decent market. So $40 an hour, like let's say you're in Idaho, there's no way you're making more than 10. You're probably making $10 an hour.
Yeah.
You got to work 200 hours a week. There's probably not even 200 hours in a week.
The only time I heard of someone making an amount like that was because they were doing like Uber Black or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Or Uber XL.
Like, yeah. And it was also like in like a busy city where people are like taking those all the time.
If you drive during the day, stay away from bright lights. So does that mean don't go to like the stoplights? Sitting. How are you not supposed to sit? You literally are in the car. Weekends always have the best one. Airport trips. Yeah, I would love doing early morning airport rides at what, 4 a.m.?
Yeah.
And didn't you say that that's the best time to do rides?
Yeah, 4 or 5 in the morning, get up, get some airport rides, and make a quick like $100 before it's even 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I think I saw that in one of your videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I follow all your tips and tricks.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so here are the final words. You want to read the final words?
Yeah, so if you want to make $2,000 a week with Uber, you'll need to drive a lot of hours and complete a high number of rides. You can make this happen by driving during peak hours in high-demand areas and by offering additional services like Uber XL or Uber Select. With a little bit of effort, you can easily make $2,000 a week with Uber. So yeah, that's what we were just saying.
What?
That's basically what we were just saying.
Yeah. And guys, if you want to make an additional extra $100 per month, sign up for Play Octopus to get a free tablet in your car. And your passengers will play the games and you can make an extra $100 a month.
Yeah.
So that'll help you hit that $2,000 a week, is signing up for the apps and all the apps that pay you more money, link down below, guys. Check it out.